Hello everyone, this is Marilyn with Jazzy's Creation Design, and today we are working with Artist Spray sublimation markers, and I'm super excited to show you guys how it works. So I would recommend that you either print out a sheet with a design and then copy, and because it's going to be reversed, mostly when you're working with letters. And all I did was color it in with the markers, outlined it with the black marker. Then you want to add some heat. I used my Easy Press Cricut machine. As you can see, the temperature and the time, how long it took, but I would always recommend to do the peak test where you just look in a corner to double check to make sure that the color transfer. You can see some of the black from either my fingers when I was coloring transfer through the cloth, and I don't know about you, but it does bother me, and so I decided to fix the issue to add glitter. Cover up with glitter. And of course I added glitter to some of the details because why not? Everything just looks better with glitter on. So I am using some glitter pen gels, and I'm going to show you how to get circles. It's a really tedious technique. If you know any better technique, let me know. Write it down in the comments because I would really like to know. And so all I am is squeezing just a little bit and then pulling up. It leaves a string. And you just want to make sure that it lands on top, so then when it settles, it just becomes into a little ball. That's the best way I can explain that. For the banner part, I used a piece of cardboard, triangle shaped, and just wrapped the cloth over it and hot glue it. I was more focused on fixing my sublimation marker marks, leftovers from the Artist Spray pins, and just how to fix it. I don't think it's that big of an issue, but if you're like me and notice every little detail, I had to cover it with glitter, plus I just think it looks a lot better. Find this download on my blog at jazzyscreation.com/blog. Also find me on social media at Jazzy's Design, and you will find a lot of my inspiration that comes from Disney, but also some other do-it-yourself DIY crafts. Have a good happy Halloween. If you have any questions, let me know. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up because I do need the motivation to keep creating these videos for you.